how
This
to
conference
convert.
will now be recorded.
Okay, a query studio report should be converted into report studio report, and then we can see the query inside it. Okay,
Okay.
let's say for example, let me create a report in Query Studio.
Okay.
Let me launch Query Studio. You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me open a package.
Can you go back outside how you went to the package? Sorry.
Okay, this is welcome screen, and if you want to launch Query Studio,
Yeah.
we need to open new, and this is plus other.
Okay.
Okay, this is Query Studio. We can launch it.
Yeah.
Okay, here we have Go Sales Query
Mm-hmm.
package. We can launch it. Okay, after you launch, okay, here we have package, and you can
Mm-hmm.
have your report and query items. Like this, you can drag and drop, or else double click on them. Okay, like this here.
Can you
And if
show
you
me
want
how you gonna put them? Like, I want a little bit more on date. Do you have any date function over here? No, no, go ahead, go ahead. Everything looks good to me. Yeah.
okay,
Can you add some date or something like that?
date function. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
okay,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
okay, date function.
Yeah.
Okay, you can save this one. Okay,
Okay.
let me save this one into my folder.
Okay.
Okay, my query report.
Mm-hmm.
I have saved it. Let me go to my content.
Yeah. My query on the top, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Okay, here so we have more option. We can convert to report.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and
Mm.
this is the query for this one.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now, okay, I'll try this tomorrow because I tried to do some query in my office
Okay,
work. So
okay.
that's so this is our recording video, right? You're gonna share this to me, right?
Yes,
Whatever. Okay,
yes.
that will help. Thank you, Saik.
Okay. So today we will see how to create filters in Framework Manager. Okay, in the last session we have seen how to create filters in Report Studio, right? Okay, how to create detail filter
Yes.
and how to create summary filter,
Yeah.
okay, that we have seen. Okay, today we will see how to create filters in Framework Manager. Okay, let me launch Framework Manager here. Okay, let me open existing project.
Also, I think one question, Shaikh,
Mm-hmm.
because this all symbol looks like same to me. Because how can I distinguish which one is package, which one is query studio? Because if somebody
Mm-hmm.
put name like the any report as a package, how can I distinguish? Because all symbol looks similar to me. Any
Okay.
idea?
Yeah. Okay. They it will be have different symbols for different objects. Okay. Package will look like this. The report studio reports will be look like this. Okay. Here.
Okay.
This package. This is the package. Package will be look like this. Okay. If you hover on this, okay, it will show this one as a
Oh, that
package.
is okay. Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't
This
know
one
that.
is a
Okay.
report.
Ah, yeah.
And you hover on this, okay, it will display.
It will display. Okay.
So like this, you can distinguish, okay, between them. So we have seen how to create these layers and how to create
Okay.
physical layer, business layer, and presentation layer. Okay, now we can create two type of filters in Framework Manager. Okay, one is
Mhm.
embedded filter, standalone filter. Okay, these are all the two type of filters we can create in Framework Manager. Okay, what is embedded filter
Okay.
means? Okay, this embedded filter is attached to a query subject. Okay, let me show you how to create an embedded filter. Okay, here we have DEPT query subject, EMP query subject. Okay, let me select employees query subject, right click on it, go to create or else edit definition. Okay, you can go to the edit definition of employees. Okay, if you
Yeah.
observe here, okay, here we have filter tab. Okay, this is the filter tab. Okay, in the filter tab, okay, here we have add option at the bottom. Okay, here you can add a filter.
So where is our filter tab? Can you go a little bit one step only?
Okay, this is query subject definition. After that
Oh,
query subject
I'm.
definition,
Oh, no, but now I'm. Okay. Yeah, I see that one.
okay, here we have filters, and here you can create and you can have a name for this filter, and you can have expression here, expression definition. Let me select a DEPT number is equal to 20. Okay, here you can validate it, this expression. Okay, no errors found, and you can test it here. And click
Okay.
on OK. Okay, here the query definition has been attached to a query subject. Okay, here we have test option. Okay, you can go to the test tab and you can test the sample. Okay, here if you see, okay, here we are getting only department number 20 records
Mm-hmm.
because I have
Filter.
attached a filter. Okay, like this you can apply any number of filters. Okay, this is called embedded filter. Okay, embedded filter is nothing but a filter that is attached to a query subject. Okay, like this I can create
Yeah.
any number of filters and you can test it. Okay, so according to my filter condition, the query subject will be having only that particular data.
Okay.
And here while applying a filter we have usage option. Okay, okay, this is always. Okay, this filter will be applied always.
Mm-hmm.
And we have optional option, and we have design mode only. Okay, whenever you select this design mode only, okay, the filter will be applied to design mode only. Okay, whenever you publish it, this filter condition will not be applied in the package, published package.
Yeah.
So this is the usage property we have, and this is how we can create a embedded filters within the query subject. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that filter will be attached to one query subject. And another filter type we have is standalone filter. Okay, this standalone filter you can use okay anywhere in this model. Okay, let's say for example here we have business layer, create and filter. Okay, this will create a filter outside of the query subjects. Okay, let me take a location. Okay, I am creating a New York filter, and this filter will be created outside of the query subjects. Okay, a filter definition will be created, and this is called a standalone filter. Okay, this standalone filter, okay, we can use this filter in the entire model, or else we can publish this standalone folder. We can publish this standalone folder in the in a package, and we can use
Mm-hmm.
this one in Report Studio. Let's say for example here on the business layer we can create folder. Okay, why we are using
Yeah.
this folders means, okay, folders will be used to organize our objects. Okay, let me have this one as filters
Yeah.
and finish it.
Can you create one more standalone place, please? One
Standalone
more.
or
Yes.
okay,
Can you make one more?
okay, click on this business layer,
Okay. Yeah.
create filter.
Oh.
Okay, here we need to have name,
So
and
we
here
need
you need
to
to provide the expression. Yes.
for embedded we need to create filter on query subject, and for the standalone we need to create that on either in business layer or in physics layer or any layer, right? Outside the
Yeah.
query layer. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, like this you can create any number of standalone filters,
Okay.
and you can place those filters in a folder. Okay, you can organize. Okay, here we have filters. Okay, inside the filters I have two standalone filters. Okay, like this I can create a folder to organize my objects. Okay, now this is my package. Let me publish this package again.
So did you put that filter in our presentation layer?
One second. So this package, let me take that. Okay, this is presenting only
Oh, yeah.
presentation layer.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
we need to place it. Okay, we can create a shortcut of this folder, and we can
Hmm.
place inside the presentation layer.
Okay.
Now we can publish this one. Let me publish. Okay, let me go to team content. Okay, this is the package. Okay,
Mhm.
okay, let me take a blank report. Okay, let me take a list report. Okay, here if you see, these are the filters.
Yeah.
Okay, these two filters. Okay, I took this one. If you want to apply a filter on this query, you can take directly this New York filter, directly drag and drop to here, and you can run it. So this is the use of standalone filters. Okay, you can use these standalone filters, okay, anywhere in the model and in the reports. Okay, this is coming only in New York because this filter is applied. So this is how we can create filters, okay, in framework manager.
Can
Okay,
you
one
generate a
is
SQL query? One second, because
okay.
doesn't play. Yeah.
This is query one and generate the SQL.
Then,
Yeah,
okay.
DEPT number location is equal to New York. It is generating where class.
Yeah.
So this is how we can create filters in framework manager. Okay, one is standalone filter and embedded filter. Okay, let me create another report.
So what are you doing here?
Just I have removed the embedded filters and I am publishing the package again, the original package.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let me create another report. Okay, let me take a blank report. Okay, let me select the source package. Okay, let me create a simple list report. Okay, let me take location, their job, employee names. Okay, let me take salaries of employees. Okay, if you run this report, okay, we will be having the data. Okay, we can create the calculations. Okay, some extra calculations on top of this original query items. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here we have salaries. Okay, if you want to calculate annual salary for the salaries means, okay, annual salary is nothing but salary into 12, right? I can create it. Okay, I can use, okay, here we have query calculation. You can use drag and drop this query calculation, okay, over here, and here you can have a name. Okay, annual salary. Okay, here we have data items. Okay, let me drag and drop salary into 12. Okay, which is
Yeah.
my annual salary. Okay, now let me run this report. Okay, like this we can add a new column, okay, query calculation item, okay, in our report. If you want to add this one directly into query one, you can add it. Okay, here we have query calculation. Okay, you can directly drag and drop this query calculation and you can add it. Okay, this is HRA 0.2% as HRA. I have added a new query calculation here. Now if you want to display this query calculation in the report, Okay, you can directly drag and drop this HRA after the annual salary and run this report.
So one you use the calculation field from query, right? The
Yes.
other tool,
Okay, other from
can you show me
this
that?
queries
Okay,
from the toolbox. Okay, from the toolbox,
from the
here we
toolbox.
have query calculation.
Yeah,
Okay, this is from query.
and
We can
one is
add it as yeah, from the
and
layout
whatever the annual
toolbox.
salary. Okay, yeah. Query
Okay,
calculation.
from this
Yeah.
query calculation. Okay, like this you can add query calculations. Okay, in a report studio. Now let me show you how to create these calculations. Okay, in framework manager. Okay,
Okay.
in the framework manager, let me click on business layer. Go to create. Okay, here we have calculation. Okay, here you can create calculations. Okay, like this. Okay, here this is the expression.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, like this I can create query calculation. Okay, if you want to create any number of query calculations here, you can create it. Okay,
Okay.
by in the framework manager also, and after creation you can publish it. Okay, this is calculation. So okay, let me drag and drop this one into a folder. Okay, calculations, and let me create a
Mm.
shortcut for this one. Okay, publish the packages. After publication of packages, okay, here you can replace it, refresh or replace it, so that the change content will be displayed here. Replace the package. Where is this?
Is that published perfectly? Sorry.
Yeah, one second. I think I haven't published it. One second, let me publish it again. Okay, here we have calculations. We can use these calculations. Okay, here. Okay, this calculation is from the FM query item. Okay, that means query calculation that we have created in framework manager. Okay,
Okay.
like this, okay, we can create filters and calculations in the framework manager as well and in the query studio as well.
Yeah.
And we will be discussing cardinality. Okay, cardinality in framework manager. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, as we know, right, we will be having in any database, we can perform inner join,
Mm-hmm.
left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And we will be having a relationship types between the query subjects. Okay, one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. Relationship types between the two query subjects. That means, okay, one to one means, okay, for one record in the left side query subject, we will be having only one record in the right side. Okay, for one record in the left side query subject, we will be having multiple records in the right side query subject. Okay,
Yeah.
this cardinality we can set, okay, in framework manager and in the report studio as well. Okay, now let me
Okay.
show you how to this set this cardinality between the query subjects. Okay, let's say for example, let me go to business layer. Okay, let me go to diagram. Okay, these are all the two query subjects we have. Okay, this is department number and this is employees. Okay, let me select DPT and the employees, right click on them and I will create a relationship between them. Okay, on my left hand side,
Yeah.
okay, I have department On my right side I have employees table. So between these two, okay, I will be selecting a common column. Okay, by using a new link, I can able to select, okay, the
Mhm.
relationship between the two. Okay, by using a common column. Okay, here we have cardinality. Okay, on the left side and right side, and here we have operator. Okay, and these joins we will be having is equi join and non-equi joins. Okay, what is equi joins means? So all the joins, okay, which is using equal to operator is called non-equi join. Sorry, equi joins. Okay, which is not using other than the joins are non-equi joins. So
Yeah.
equijoin and non-equijoin we can perform, okay, by selecting the operator. Most of the times, okay, we will be using equijoin. Okay, here we
Okay.
have cardinality. Okay, we will be having two digits. Okay, in the left side, right,
Yeah.
and we have two digits in the right side. And
Mm-hmm.
let me have them here. Okay, this is left side. Let me have this is right side. First digits. Okay, the first digits are indicating the join types from the both. This is inner join. Okay,
Yeah.
this is left join.
Okay.
This is right outer join. 0 and 0, full outer join. Okay, and the first digits. Okay,
Okay.
from the left hand and right side. Okay, is indicating that join types.
Yeah.
Okay, and the second digit from the left side and right side is indicating the relationship types. Okay, here we have n, 1 n. This is one to many. Okay, 1 means 1 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, n to 1 means many to 1.
Yeah.
N means, okay, many to many. Okay, this is how we can indicate the cardinality, okay, between the two query
Okay.
subjects. Okay, the two digits are significantly used for first digits for join types and second digits are for relationship types between the two query subjects.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, here it is indicating 1 means it is a equijoin and relationship type is one to many, one to one relationship.
One to one and inner join, right?
Yeah, inner join. Okay, if you want to have one to many inner join, okay, this is
Yeah.
inner join one to many. That means, okay,
One to.
for one department number we will be having multiple employees, right? So we can
Yeah.
do it like one to many relationship between them. Okay,
Okay.
whenever you have perform any cardinality here, okay, the relationship SQL will be generated the same. Okay, if you
Okay.
want to test, you can test it. Okay, here it is performing inner join, and if you want to test this join result, you can test it here. Okay, here we have fetching 14 records. Okay, for the inner join. Okay, inner join will fetch the common records between the two
Yeah.
query subjects. And here, if you want to perform outer joins, okay, the subsequent relationship query will be changed. Okay, this is left outer join.
Okay.
Okay, like this, based on the selection of these digits, okay, you can apply any type of join type, and you can set the relationship between the two query subjects.
Yeah.
Okay, in the
So
framework manager level,
we can do this both in framework manager level as well as in report level.
yes, in the report level also you can do it. Okay, here we have go to the queries. Okay, let me create two queries. One is for EMP and another one is for DEPT. Okay, this is my
Mhm.
query two. Okay, go to the properties. Okay, if you want to rename it, okay, you can rename it. Okay, this is EMP.
Okay.
Okay, this is DEPT. Okay, this is join. Okay, we can join between
Mhm.
this EMP and DEPT, and here you can set the cardinality. Okay, this looks like
Yeah.
same,
Yeah.
and here you can also perform equi or non-equi joins.
Yeah.
Okay, like this you can create. Okay, we can set the cardinality. Okay, between
Mm-hmm.
the two query subjects. Okay, in the
Okay.
framework manager level, or else we can set it in the report level. Okay, we can
Yeah.
join. Okay, this is cardinality, and in any database we will be having set operators. Okay, what is set operators means? Okay, we will be having union all,
Mm-hmm.
intersect, and minus. Minus or except, we can say. So what these set operators means? Okay, it will combine two or more resultant sets, right?
Yeah.
Uh, in the union, okay, we can combine the two result sets, okay, by removing the duplicates. Okay, union will remove the duplicates.
Yeah.
Union will combine two query result sets and remove the duplicates, okay, from the two from the two combined query resultant sets. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and here you can have union all. It will also will combine two queries result sets, preserve duplicates.
Yeah.
Okay, intersect will return common records from both resultant sets. Okay, it will fetch the common records, okay,
Yeah.
which are common between the two query results. Okay, it will fetch intersect, and we have except. It will remove common records, right? It will remove common records and return remaining records from, okay, if you have A except B, then it will remove the common records,
Yeah.
return remaining records from A. Okay, BXCPT. A means remove the common records, return remaining records from B. Okay, so this is how this union operations will work in the database. Okay, and the same thing, okay, we can apply in the framework manager, and we can apply this these things, okay, in the repo studio as well.
Okay.
Okay, let's say for example here we have employees. Okay, this is one query subject we have. Okay, let me go to edit. Sorry, go to edit definition. Okay, let me have this one as a DPT10 information. And the most important thing is, okay, while applying this set operations, the query result sets must have same structure.
Yeah.
Okay, that means it should have the same data type and same number of columns. Okay, then only we can able to perform set operations. Okay, here we have dpt10. Okay, here we have dpt10 equal to 10. Okay, I have created a one query subject here. Now let me create another query subject. You can copy it and you can paste it. Okay, it will create another copy of the query subject and you can rename it. Look, let me have
Yeah.
this one as another query subject and let me go to edit definition. Okay, let's say this one as 20th department query subject. Now I can combine, okay, this employees and employees to query subjects, okay, by using set operators. Okay, how to perform set operators means, okay, you can go to actions. Okay, here we have defined query set. Okay,
Yeah.
after you open it, okay, it will select the two query subjects. Okay,
Okay.
here we have operator. Here we have union. Okay, if you want to perform intersect, or else if you want to perform except, okay, you can use it. Okay, here we don't have union all. Union all is nothing but union operation with preserve the duplicates,
Okay.
right? Okay, if you
Yeah.
remove the duplicates, then that is a
Yeah.
union. Okay, if you remove the duplicates, then that is a union all operation.
No. Yeah.
Okay, between the two query subjects, okay, we can perform this intersect or except. Okay, that will be depends upon our requirement. Okay, we can apply it and we can create a new query subject. Okay, this is the new query subject. Okay, it is a mine except a minus b. Okay, a except b. Okay,
Okay.
okay, like this we can create query sets. Okay, in the
Yeah.
framework manager level, and we can create a shortcut and we can publish it. Okay, to the
Content.
content, and here also you can able to perform. Okay, here we have union intersect except.
Yeah.
Okay, you can create query subjects. Okay, new query subjects here. Let's say for example this is for department number 10, and you can have, and you can apply a filter. This one is for DPT10, right?
Yeah.
let's say for example, and this is for query 10, 20th department information. I have two query subjects with the same structure now, right? With the same structure I must have. Okay, I can perform union
Okay.
by dragging and dropping it here. Okay, this will perform union operation. Query 3 is the resultant set. Okay, this is the union. You can directly drag and drop this all these query items here. Okay, if you want to perform intersect between them, okay, between the same query subjects, you can drag and drop it. And
What
now
about
this
the
is the
email now?
union all. Okay,
Uh, over here.
okay, this is union. Okay, here if you from the properties, okay, if you preserve,
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
okay, then it will perform union all.
Okay.
Okay, this is except
Yeah.
a minus b. Okay, like this I can perform, okay, any set operation in the framework manager level or else in the report level. Okay, we can use this one, okay, to display the result. Okay, this is my query 5.
Mm-hmm.
From the data items I have query 5. Okay, I can directly drag and drop this. Okay, this is the resultant set.
Is that for intersect, right? Query 5?
Yeah, intersect. Yeah, query set is
Okay.
except.
Accept, yeah.
Okay, this is a minus b except. Okay,
Okay.
so if you want to display intersect, okay, directly you can change the, this is query
Mm-hmm.
4. Okay, you can change this query to query 4. Now it is except operation.
No data. Okay.
And if you want to perform union all, okay, query 3, you can change this query and you can run
Mm-hmm.
this report.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
so like this we can, okay, perform set operators, okay, in framework manager level or in the report level as well.
Okay.
Okay, today we have seen, okay,
Mm-hmm.
filters in framework manager and cardinality and set operators, okay, in framework manager and in the report studio.
And after
Okay,
calculation,
tomorrow,
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
query calculations and adding filters. Okay,
Okay.
tomorrow we will see auto group and summarize property, and tomorrow we will
Mm-hmm.
start the prompts. Okay, in the report studio,
Okay.
how to create
So
prompts.
is it okay to suppose means for tomorrow? I don't know how long it's gonna take. Can you start means query studio in the tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow?
Okay, yeah, sure.
Query studio first, and after that, can we continue with what we are going right now? Because right now I do
Mhm.
have some access on query studio in my office, so and I try
Okay,
to
okay,
figure out, and I feel a little bit harder to. So I want
okay.
to go in parallel to my course and my office work. That's why. Is it possible?
Yeah, it is
To
possible.
start?
Yeah, we can discuss it Query Studio.
Okay. So can you start? You are going to start that tomorrow.
Yes, yeah.
So also, if possible, just try to put some real data from like sample database, or and try to add some more filters like date function and okay.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
yeah, and
Yeah, we
maybe
have
that can
sample.
help me to yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Thank you.
sure. We will discuss it. Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, just finish that one first, and after that continue the same part. Those
Okay.
the thing.
Okay.
How many days does it take to finish the query studio? 1 day, 2 day?
In the Query Studio, date, you meant to say?
No, no, means how many day? 1 hour is enough or 2 hour? How many hours do you need to
Yeah, 1 hour
finish?
is enough.
One
Yeah.
hour is enough. Okay, tomorrow we're gonna start the query studio. Okay,
Okay, okay, sure.
thank you, sir.
Yep, no problem.
Yeah, have a good day.
Okay, you too. Good night.
Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.